Hi, this is Mr. Mike, the Amazing Magi, here with another balloon creation. Today we're going to learn how to make a parrot on a swing. Now you can see I already blew up the balloon. I have about a 4 to 5 inch tail in it. You can actually even make it a little bit longer than that, truthfully. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 small bubbles first. The first bubble is going to be a little smaller than the second bubble. Now watch, here I squeeze it just like this. I make a bubble. Now I make a second bubble bigger. And so here they are, 2 bubbles. Now I just bring this down, I grab the nozzle, and I wrap the nozzle around the bottom of the second bubble, just like that. And then I take the nozzle and I just put it through the 2 separations. Now this locks it in place. Now this head will not come apart because you locked it in place. Now what I'm going to do is make 3 bubbles, approximately the same size, because this is the parrot's head. Now I'm going to make the body. So about a 4-inch bubble, 3.5 inches about, 1. Squeeze, get a little air. Now about the same size bubble, squeeze, twist that around. Just like this. So now you have something that looks like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make another bubble just about the same size as these. It can be just a slight bit bigger, but you don't want it too much bigger. So all I do is I start making this bubble just like this. And then what you do with this, once you have the bubble, is you spread these with your fingers and push this part through, just like this. You roll it right through. Hopefully you can see that. What I did is I spread it and I pushed it through with my thumbs. I pulled on the front and pushed the bubble I had made through. Now I just rotate the head back a little bit, and now here you have essentially the parrot's head, the parrot's breast, and the parrot's rest of the body. Now we're going to make the swing, so I'm going to squeeze a little more air out, and to make the swing, all I do is come back like this. Right here, just about where that tail is, I twist. Leave just a little bit above the tail. And there's that. And then all I do is I pivot this around. And now I just take my marker and I put a pair of eyes on the parrot like this. 1 eye, 2 eyes. Draw his nose, his mouth. And there you have your little parrot on a swing. I hope you enjoyed this balloon tutorial. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is remember the steps. And what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to remake the balloon, but I'm going to walk you through with a balloon that I have laying behind me, just to review the instructions. So I'm going to lay this guy down, take this balloon, and maybe I'll go briefly through it again. What we're going to do is make a small bubble. Make a second bubble just a little bit bigger. Now we grab the nozzle and we wrap it around just like this. And then we take the nozzle right through just like that. Now remember, you're going to make 3 bubbles, all the same size. 1 bubble. The second bubble. And now the third bubble. Squeeze to loosen it up just a little bit so it's not hard. And then you push it through. Spread the balloon and push the bubble through. And again, there you have your parrot and the body. And then all you do now is you go down right about here, right before the tail, or right at the tail, you twist again. Now you have your swing, and you just, your parrot's here, you just pivot him around, put the parrot inside the swing, like that. And then you just decorate him with your marker. And again, your parrot on a swing. I hope you enjoyed the balloon tutorial. This is Mr. Mike, the Amazing Magi. Thank you and see you next month. Bye.